Our father would take us to the playground and put us on the swing mood. A playground is a place where laughter is the soundtrack and memories are made. Playgrounds are the ultimate classroom where children learn through play. The true object of all human life is play. Earth is a task garden. Heaven is a playground. A good director makes a playground and allows us to play. I like to turn the venue into a jungle gym, into my playground. Being an actor on a movie set is like going to the playground at the races.